Get ready for a cosmic mind bender. There's a star out there called Methuselah, and scientists are convinced it's older than even our entire universe. That's 14.5 billion years old. At first, this seemed impossible since the universe itself is only 13.8 billion years young. But after 8 long years of double-checking their math, astronomers finally found a way to fit Methuselah into the timeline, leaving us with a truly astronomical mystery to unravel. Breaking news in the cosmos. You've probably heard that Methuselah star's age was revised from 14.5 billion years down to a still mind-boggling 12 billion years. Talk about a celestial update. Meanwhile, our universe is full of enigmas waiting to be cracked. Take Kepler 78b. For example, this rocky planet is eerily similar in size to Earth, but it's literally burning up at scorching temperatures of 2,500 degrees Celsius due to its incredibly close proximity to its star, just 100 times closer than our own sun. This extreme anomaly has astronomers scratching their heads and keeps them up all night, pondering how such an unlikely world could possibly exist. Imagine stumbling upon a piping hot pizza right smack in the middle of a volcanic eruption. That's basically what we're dealing with when it comes to Kepler 78b. The laws of physics just can't wrap their heads around how this Earth-sized planet ended up in such an intense 2,500 degrees Celsius furnace. It's like a cosmic mystery wrapped in an enigma, and scientists are working overtime to crack the code. But they've got some competition who can solve the Tabby star puzzle first. This star's flickering patterns defy explanation. When planets pass in front of regular stars, their brightness dips by just 1%. But Tabby star's dimming periods can last up to 70 days. It's like it's playing a cosmic game of hide and seek. The Tabby star's drama is getting a whole lot more dramatic. Its brightness drops by a whopping 22% for days on end. It's like someone's throwing a cosmic shade over this star. The usual suspects can't explain it. Planets, dust clouds, or even asteroid clusters just aren't big enough to cause such an extreme dimming. I'm not saying aliens are pulling the strings here, although that'd be out of this world. But some wild theories have been floating around, like a mysterious orb surrounding the star, harnessing its energy for who knows what. But let's get real, scientists aren't exactly going ET phone home just yet. For now, the Tabby star's secrets remain safely tucked away in the unknown universe. But hold up, because things are about to get really mind-blowing. The weirdness in space isn't just limited to stars. Entire galaxies have been defying the rules of physics left and right. Some objects out there are straight-up unsettling scientists with their unconventional behavior. Now, let's talk about this ancient galactic powerhouse, a quasar so old, its name is like a tongue twister for the ages. This colossal galaxy's heart is powered by a supermassive black hole that's older than some of our oldest star friends, including the Methuselah star. But here's where it gets really wild. Did this behemoth form just 900 million years after the universe as we know it began with the Big Bang? That's like a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. You're right, 900 million years post-Big Bang is crazy early. We're talking toddler universe age. But despite the short timeline, this ancient black hole somehow managed to grow massive enough to weigh in at a staggering 12 billion times that of our sun. It's like a 2-year-old with the physique of a pro wrestler, totally not normal and straight up bizarre. Now, things get even spookier. This quasar's enormous energy output isn't just intense, it's also super forceful, pushing away anything that dares to get too close. It's as if this cosmic giant is radiating an invisible shield that repels all matter in its path. A talk about a space monster. The more we look at this ancient black hole, the more questions we're left with. It's like trying to figure out what fuels an unstoppable eating machine. Did it chow down on everything in its path, or was there some mysterious cosmic matriarch secretly spoon-feeding it to grow into a behemoth 12 billion times bigger than our sun? It's as if this black hole just grew and grew while the universe was still young and everyone else was still catching up. Now, here's another mind-blowing fact. Sometimes it's not about how massive something is, but how bright it shines. Take HD1, for instance, the oldest and farthest galaxy from us, which has been around for an astonishing 13.5 billion years and yet, somehow, still packs a dazzling glow. To even capture its image, astronomers had to tap into powerful ultraviolet radiation. Talk about a space superstar that's still got it going on after all this time. Buckle up. because we're diving into some seriously cool cosmic history. It seems massive blue stars lit up HD1 way back when the universe was still super young. Think of them as the neon lights on a brand new party venue at midnight. But here's where things get really trippy. These starlight giants are putting out energy that's at least 10 times brighter than we thought possible, like shining a super powerful spotlight and watching it slice through trees from miles away. Now, some scientists think the galaxy's extraordinary glow could be powered by its very own quasar and supermassive black hole. But this sparks another mystery. How did these space giants grow so massive in the first place? It's like someone told them to eat all the extra large pizza they wanted, and now we're left wondering if they got a little too full, too fast. The search for answers continues, and we've got a top-notch detective on the case, the James Webb Space Telescope. With its super sharp eyes, it's ready to uncover the secrets behind HD1's mind-blowing glow. And who knows, maybe while it's at it, it'll also help us understand some of the universe's biggest whodunits, the cosmic phenomena that make our heads spin and challenge everything we thought we knew about physics. But, get this, the truth might be even wilder than we think. Imagine a humongous construction made up of many galaxies. We're talking a massive structure called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, which takes up an insane 10% of the observable universe. That's not just a bunch of twinkling stars. It's a gargantuan cosmic city that's leaving us scratching our heads and reaching for the astronomy textbooks. You might have heard of the cosmological principle. It's like the ultimate rulebook for understanding our universe, stating that space should be nice and uniform with no massive structures to mess things up. Think of it like an old TV screen filled with static white noise. Each pixel represents a galaxy cluster, stretching about 300 million light-years across. But here comes the jaw-dropping part. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is like a giant, cosmic line that stretches across our universe's screen, smashing that limit by a whopping 33 times. It's as if we've discovered an astronomical anomaly that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe's layout. You've probably heard some pretty wild theories about the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, from being a product of scientists' vivid imaginations to being built by ancient aliens wielding cosmic construction equipment. But let's dive into what we know and see if we can get our heads around this mind-bending phenomenon. According to the speed of light rulebook, it takes almost 14 billion years for something to travel across the observable universe. So, you'd think that its diameter should be around 28 billion light-years max. But nope, it's actually a whopping 93 billion light-years in size, roughly 3 times bigger than expected. How did this happen? It's like taking a simple balloon and suddenly discovering it can inflate to the size of an airship. We're talking about a universe that defies our understanding of space and time, and we can't help but wonder, what other secrets is our cosmos hiding from us? So, you thought explaining the universe's wild expansion was going to be a simple puzzle to solve. Well, buckle up, because it gets even more mind-blowing. Enter inflation theory, the idea that our universe expanded from a teensy-weensy subatomic particle to, well, basically everything in less than an instant after the Big Bang. And here's the kicker: scientists are now saying space can stretch faster than light, a concept that used to be strictly off-limits. But don't think this clears up all the cosmic mysteries just yet. The debate is still raging over how fast things actually inflated, and it's because of the universe's weird behavior when it comes to matter. It turns out that the fabric of our cosmos holds some seriously inexplicable secrets, and they're only getting more puzzling by the day. Imagine stumbling upon a cosmic hotspot where 2 ghostly galaxy clusters smashed into each other at an incredible 4,500 kilometers per second. That's faster than most rockets can even dream of. The collision was so brutal it ripped apart entire massive clouds, leaving behind what looks like a hauntingly eerie trail. Sounds like something straight out of an animated movie, doesn't it? But here's the twist: despite all this destruction, both clusters still have some unseen, invisible presence holding onto most of their mass. Think of them as having a cosmic 9 lives. So, what's really going on in the bullet cluster? Well, buckle up, because the only explanation that fits the bill is something truly out of this world. The bullet cluster mystery unraveled by dark matter, an invisible force leaving scientists scratching their heads, even more elusive than those ghostly galaxy clusters. But here's what gets our minds even more twisted. Why do these galaxy clusters exist at all? Think about it. If the Big Bang had created equal parts of regular matter and its cosmic counterpart, antimatter, we'd be living in a totally different universe where everything would have annihilated long ago. This concept has left physicists baffled for ages, and one of the most brilliant minds, Paul Dirac, was the first to question this fundamental imbalance. What happened to all that missing antimatter? Fast forward to the universe's origins. It was meant to be an epic dance of matter and antimatter, ending in a spectacular blast of energy. But here we are, surrounded by billions of stars and galaxies, made almost entirely of regular matter, with barely any sign of its antimatter partner. It's like a world without guys. Talk about unnatural. Scientists have a hunch that maybe antimatter just wasn't as stable as its counterpart, but the real question is, why? One mind-blowing theory suggests our universe might not be alone. Instead, it could be one half of a cosmic twin, born alongside an identical sister universe filled with antimatter. The Big Bang, in this scenario, was more like a universe-making machine that created two separate realities, each with its own unique recipe for life. So, there's a mirror Earth out there, teeming with our anti-version. Sounds like an awesome sci-fi plot twist, but hold on to your seatbelts because this theory is as elusive as it gets. And if we were to somehow find a way to reach that counterworld, bam, our collision would unleash a cosmic explosion, erasing both universes from existence. Whoa, talk about a universe-sized roadblock. But here's the thing. While some mind benders are hiding in distant galaxies or parallel realities, others are right under our noses, waiting to be unraveled every single day. Let's dive into our star system and shine some light on the sun. It's a real calm superstar. Compared to its identical twin stars out there, our sun's brightness is incredibly stable, fluctuating by just a teensy 0.1%. This low-key energy makes life livable, instead of turning us into crispy critters during intense solar storms. Now, let's moon over the fact that our lunar neighbor is one of a kind. Its radius is only a quarter of Earth's size. Talk about a small but mighty satellite. Despite its quirks, this cosmic oddball remains an enigma.